How to refund PS5 games. The very first thing you want to do is go to the refund request web page on the company support website and then click on request refund. Well, the support bot will ask you, are you the owner of the account for PlayStation Network that was charged? You have to click on yes. Now you have to state the reason why you want to get your refund. Click on return a game or add-on. You have to give more details. Simply click on I have changed my mind. It will ask you if you have already streamed or downloaded the content. Click on no. Now it says how many days has it been since the purchase was made. You have to enter the days of the purchase you have done. Simply enter the number over here. Well, now it will provide you the support ID. You have to copy this ID. Now you can choose between being contacted by chat or contact by call. Well, maybe the call will be the better option. Then follow the on-screen process and then you'll get a refund back. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get refund on PS5. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.